Let's talk about money, because if we're honest, we think about it a lot. The bills don't wait, gas isn't getting any cheaper, and somehow your bank account always knows when it's the worst time to be low. But here's the thing no one tells you. It's not always about hard work. You don't need a six-figure job or to wake up at 4 a.m. with a green smoothie and a 40-step routine. That's Instagram advice. Real change, it starts smaller. And honestly, easier than you think. You don't have to grind. You don't have to be perfect. You don't even need motivation. What you need is a shift in how you see things, in what you do, without even realizing what you're doing. Once I figured that out, that's when everything changed. Not overnight, but consistently. And that's the key. You've been told the secret to making money is to do more. Work more hours, take more courses, grind now, shine later, right? But here's the truth. If grinding was the answer, every overworked 20-something with 3 side hustles and a caffeine addiction would be a millionaire by now. The real cheat code? It's not hustle. It's clarity and small habits that rewire how you see opportunity. So I'm going to share with you 7 habits that you can start today to start making more while doing less. Here's the first habit. Start treating your time like it's a price tag. If you wouldn't pay $100 to scroll TikTok for an hour, why give it away for free? Start asking, what's the return on this hour? Sometimes rest is a return, but sometimes it's just avoidance in disguise. Funny thing is, people will spend 3 hours watching productivity videos to avoid doing a 15-minute task. Been there. I once watched a video titled, How to Be More Efficient at 0.75 speed. So here's another habit that changed everything for me. Set one weird, ultra-specific daily goal, like send one email, or promote something you made, or ask one question you're scared to ask. These tiny actions sound silly, but they're compound. Most people lose because they're trying to win the whole game in one move. But winning is in reps, not in magic. Also, don't be afraid to cringe on your way up. It's 2025. We've all seen AI-generated TikToks of Minecraft dogs giving financial advice. You'll be fine. So let me ask you, do you ever think negative thoughts about yourself? Sure you do. We all do. If you talk to your friends the way you talk to yourself, they'd probably block you. Twice. So the habit, talk to yourself like someone you're responsible for. Even if it feels corny, because here's the truth. You'll never outperform your self-image. You don't need to scream affirmations in the mirror. Just stop being your own internet troll. And you know what destroys confidence? Thinking nothing is working. But most progress is invisible while it's happening. Like plants, or your Uber Eats driver when it says preparing. So here's the habit. Write down one win every day, no matter how small. You don't have to write it down per se, just even make a mental note of it. Brushed your teeth even though you were spiraling? Win. Did one productive thing before doom scrolling? Win. The goal isn't to impress anyone. The goal is to remind yourself you're building momentum, even if it's quiet. Your brain is basically Google. Ask it, why do I suck? And it'll deliver a 10-tab answer with footnotes. But you ask it, what's the next best step? Boom, a whole new result. The habit, catch the spiral and upgrade the question. Instead of, why am I behind? Try, what's the next thing I can control? Instead of, why does everyone else have it figured out? Try, who can I learn from today? Good questions create better actions. Bad questions just generate existential. Holy. Moving on, we all think procrastination is laziness, but a lot of the time it's just friction. Your brain's like, too many tabs open, too much pressure, I'll do it later. Then it's 4 hours later and you've watched every man builds cabin in the woods video on YouTube. Here's what helps. Create a 3-step ritual that tricks your brain into starting. Mine is timer, chill music, tell myself just do 5 minutes. This works way better than yelling focus at yourself, which, let's be honest, that never actually worked anyway. So here's a money move that nobody talks about. Set one small block each day for a money moment. Could be learning a skill that increases your rates, reaching out to a client, or posting your work, or reviewing your budget. The idea isn't to do everything. Just do something that improves your financial reality. The truth is, you don't need to hustle 24/7. You just need to touch the dial once a day, and it'll start to turn.